In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy any product link Amazon. This is a quick and easy process on the Amazon app, whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone. Copying a product link is useful when you want to share an item with someone, save it for later, or paste it into a note, message, or browser. Everything is done directly inside the Amazon app, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open the Amazon app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can search and browse normally. Once you are on the main screen, go to the search bar and type in the name of the product you want to find. Be as specific as needed so the correct item appears in the results. This can help you avoid copying the wrong product link, especially if there are several similar listings. After you see the product in the search results, tap on it to open the full product page. This is important because you want to copy the direct link for that exact item, not just the search results page. Once the product page is open, take a moment to confirm that it is the correct product by checking the title and image. Next, look for the Share button. In most versions of the Amazon app, this appears as an arrow icon. It is usually located near the top area of the product page, although the exact position can vary slightly depending on your device and app version. Tap the Share button to open the sharing options. When the Share menu appears, select Copy Link. On some phones, this may appear as Copy Link with slightly different capitalization, but it means the same thing. As soon as you tap it, the product URL is copied to your clipboard. That means the link is now temporarily saved on your device and ready to paste wherever you need it. You can paste it into a text message, email, note, social media post, or any other app that allows text input. Just tap and hold in the text field, then choose Paste. If you do not see the Copy Link option right away, give the Share menu a quick scroll, since some devices show more sharing choices first. Once copied, you can use the link immediately. That covers everything you need to know.